Similarly, we can, this time we'll do only for 30 seconds. So we have divisions 3D by 1D. So 30 seconds, 3D by 1D, and name. Right. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Start.
93.
Okay. Next.
2766 969
Yeah. Next.
432 and 54
54. Next.
100 by 5 20
Next.
672 9 96 96.
Okay. So timer is done. You can see accuracy wise you are 100% correct, and you can subtract 3 seconds here. Right. So this was a demonstration of divisions. So now Janvi will be giving a demo about dictations. I'll be dictating the questions and she'll be telling the answers. So coming to the first question,